Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the changes around us. Changes, any alteration. Alteration, कुछ भी change होना. Any alteration in conditions is called change. Change is the law of life, principle of the nature. Everything will be changed. As you know well, day after day there is night, summer, winter, sunrise, sunset. During night, sometimes moon comes, but sometimes there is no moon day, full moon day. Size of moon also gradually increase or gradually decrease day by day. You are also, when you took birth, you are like in this size, but right now you are too big enough like us. Later on you will come to like us. We sow a seed into the soil. It will grow into a big tree. So all these conditions, all these are the changes. Changes in maybe various references, various conditions, various respects. Look your mother, that is given in your also your book. Look your mother. She takes some flour, wheat flour, into a pot like this one, and put some salt and water and make the dough. Make the dough. She take a lump of the dough and make this, roll it. After it, rolling on the rolling pan, and when she rolling, after roll, it become chapati and start to bake. Bake on the tawa, hot tawa. Now the chapati is ready to eat. What changes there takes place? Dough, wheat flour change into dough. Now dough change into our chapati. So these all are changes. Changes is the basic principle of life. आज दुख है, कल सुख होगा. Some students afraid from any different kind of subjects like science, like maths, but when they take interest in it, they feel these are the easy subjects. Got it? Now look, changes in various respects that we experience in our daily routine life, everyday life. Number one, change in size. Change in size, I have discussed earlier. Seed like this, but when it put into the soil, it grow into a big tree. Small trees, they grow in size by passing the time. In some of the cases, some another cases, your pencil size, when you use it, its size gradually decrease, but the size of your body gradually increase. Size of baby, size of plant gradually increase by passing the time. Now changes in shape. There may be change in the shape also. When we fill the balloon, air in the balloon, a shapeless balloon becomes too much large, spherical in shape, or maybe different kind of shapes are there. Moon changes in the shape of the moon. Sometimes it is the full moon, sometimes it is the half crescent shape like this one. So the shape of the moon is also changed. Next one, change in position. When you go to from your home to school, there is change in your position from home to school. You go to picnic, you go by car, there is change in position. Got it? Now, change in color. You know well, raw fruits are the green in color, but when they ripen fruits different in color. Apple becomes red. Some of the fruits become orange, yellow colored. Banana yellow colored. Papaya it's colored. Though so when they ripe, their color changed. The color of the leaf gradually changed according to weather conditions. Sometimes they are green, when they dry up they become yellow, right, or colorless. Like this one, when you put iron which is black in color, dark in color, but when it is come in contact with the moist air, there is a red flaky layer, reddish layer deposited over here, that is called as rust. Now it shows the changes in the color of the iron. Now changes in state. Look over here. When we took the water, this water when we put into the fridge, refrigerator, its freezer, after 1 hour, 2 hours, you will observe it. The water which was in liquid state, now it changed into solid. Now the water changed into solid. Now ice cream when we put outside, which was solid, but when we put it outside, it start to melt. Ice start to melt and convert into again water. When water put on the gas heater, it start to convert into water vapor. So these are, water vapor is the gaseous state. So there may be change in the physical state also. So changes in respect to the changes may be size, changes in shape, changes in position, changes may be in color, changes may be in the physical state. You will write any 5 examples of each aspect of the change.